How to find the Instagram of any user on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the Instagram of any user on the SoundCloud. So first thing, go to SoundCloud. Now you should choose the person that you want to find his Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Go to the profile of the user, and then you will have the option here of the three dots. Click on those three dots and then click on view information. Now here you go, you will find his Instagram right here. Just click on it and it will take you to his Instagram directly. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.